Hi everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to make a delicious and very simple raspberry ice cream. I'm mixing together 150 grams of raspberry puree, 10 milliliters of agave syrup, 20 grams of raspberry jam and 50 grams of xylitol. Heat this mixture just until bubbles break the surface to make sure that everything dissolves. Then remove it from the heat and add another 100 grams of raspberry puree and 5 milliliters of lemon juice. Then whip 250 milliliters of very cold whipping cream to a soft peak. Add about a third of the whipped cream to the raspberry mixture and fold it in. Then pour the resulted mixture into the remaining whipped cream. It's okay if it's still lumpy. Use the whisk to combine everything and then switch to a spatula. What you'll obtain is a perfectly homogeneous mousse. To make it easier for me to transfer the mousse into the ice cream machine, I poured it into the measuring cup where I had the raspberry puree. I mixed it again, and now I'm pouring it into the ice cream machine. For this recipe, it takes about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you'll have this consistency. You'll see it's a little more brittle and icy than the other ice cream recipes I made, and that's because of the water content in the raspberry puree. Now freeze the ice cream for at least 6 hours. Before serving, let it sit on the counter for 10 minutes. Then scoop it out and enjoy. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next, and until next time, Dessertophiles.